Well, welcome back to another episode, folks. I'm not quite sure what today's video is going to turn into. I know I have to hurry up and go get some gas because I got to get going here, but I think what is most likely going to happen, we're going to go try to shoot some pheasants, me, my uncle, and my brother, so that will be cool. Go sit and try to get some deer, film those, shoot one maybe if one, comes out. But, we never know, so just stay along for the ride and stay tuned. Alright, just stopped at the gas station. Got a crisp Mountain Dew and some cookies. So I'll see you guys when I see you next. Alright guys, well I left the GoPro in the car because I'm an idiot, but we got, I don't know if you can see in the pouch, but we got a pheasant. We're good to go. My brother and my uncle have a couple too, so we're trying to catch our limit here. We're out in this coolie looking thing, so stay tuned. Sorry I can't really know how to film, so I'll be better next time. Welcome back to another episode of it's always a possibility, but it's very not likely to happen to where, you know, like mature bucks are moving through and moving around and being active. I just think it's a little too early for that to happen yet. So because of that, and because our two local deer that are consistently back here spooked away, I think I'm gonna call it here. So I'm gonna back up and get going. So we'll see you later. Okay, I'm just walking back right now. My camera's in my bag, but I see a fox. There's a fox running through the field right now. I don't have my big camera, so I can't zoom in very well, but this is actually pretty good. But I thought that was cool. There's another fox. There's two of them. There's two foxes. That's a second fox. Look at that thing go. Wow, well, you hear that? That was the fox. I've seen more foxes in the past 3 minutes than I have in my entire life. What is up, everybody? As you can see, I'm still editing today's video, but I realized that I didn't film an outro like I always forget to do, so this is me doing that again. Hopefully one of these days I'll actually get to do it after I'm done shooting in the field, so nothing really else to add. Saw those two foxes, and that was pretty cool. Like I said, those are the most foxes I've ever seen in my entire life, and to have them in the span of 2 minutes come across the field, that was pretty cool. But that's where we're going to end today's video. Don't really have much else to say, but just to let you guys know who are watching to the end here and sticking around, that you should go follow me on Instagram, because once we hit 250 followers there, I'll be doing a giveaway, a tackle giveaway that I started last spring probably. So we just hit our goal, or are hopefully about to hit our goal of 250 followers. We hit the 100 on YouTube, so hopefully we'll get that 250 soon, and I'll do a giveaway to you guys. So go check that out at Dak Outdoors. So yeah, with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later.